Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new topic of class 10th chapter 11, that is Introduction to Trigonometry, which is completely new topic to you all. Like in your previous classes you people have studied about the triangles. Here in this topic specially we are going to study about right angle triangle. For example, let us take some example from our surrounding. Suppose the students of a school are visiting Qutub Minar. For example, any students of a school are visiting Qutub Minar. Now if a student is looking up at the top of the Minar, for example, I'll take this is one student of the school who is this. Suppose we will imagine this is a Qutub Minar. Suppose if a student is looking at the top of the Minar, a right angle can be imagined to be made. For example, this is the ground level. This is the ground level, and here the student is standing, and this is the Qutub Minar, and looking at the top of the Minar, then we can see that there is a right angle triangle will be formed. So here we can see it is right angle triangle will be formed. Suppose a girl, one more example. Suppose a girl is sitting at the top of the building, like in a balcony of the her house, and she is looking at the car which is going on the road. For example, she is looking at the car which is going on the road, then it will be like right angle triangle is formed. We can see here right angle triangle is formed. Here there is two situation I have given. One, from girl is looking at the top of the Qutub Minar, and we saw that there is a right angle triangle formed, and from the top of the building a girl is watching a car. Even we can see that here right angle triangle is formed. Now in all these situation, or else in this above two situation, the distance or height can be found by using some mathematical technique called trigonometry. Here the distance and height can be formed by the mathematical technique called trigonometry. The word, let us see what is trigonometry first. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word. It is nothing but trigonometry is derived from the Greek word, that is tri, which means tree. Tri, that means 3, and gon means sides, and metron means measure. It is a Greek word. Trigonometry is a Greek word which means tri means 3, gon means sides, and metron means measure. So trigonometry is a study of relationship between the sides and angle. It is nothing but the relationship between sides and angle of right angle triangle. Here specially in trigonometry we are learning which angle? Right angle triangle. Trigonometry is a study of relationship between sides and angle of right angle triangle. Trigonometry completely depends on right angle triangle. That is, when we know the angles of a right angle triangle, side can be formed, and when we know these sides, then angle can be formed by using only trigonometry. No other which is the very important property of trigonometry. The very important property of trigonometry is nothing but we can find the angles and sides. So with this only we can calculate the angles and sides. Let us see what is trigonometry now, based on what it is. In trigonometry we have this concept. In 10th standard, the concept of trigonometry which we are going to study is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and trigonometric identities. These 4 topics we are going to complete in 10th standard. So what is trigonometric ratios? The first topic is trigonometric ratios. So how we will find the trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratio is nothing but here, see, there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now let me show you how we will get this sine, cos and tan. We can see here it is a right angle triangle. Here I have drawn ABC is a right angle triangle and B is nothing but 90 degree. B is 90 degree, and here one more triangle I have drawn. ABC is a right angle triangle. Again B is 90 degree. Now the very important thing we should know that the angle, this is angle and this is one more angle which is very important in this. Here we can see angle A is this side, and in this triangle we can see angle A is above, right? In this triangle angle A is here, and in this triangle angle A is here. So angle A opposite line is called opposite side. This angle opposite is nothing but opposite side, and angle B, this angle line is nothing but adjacent side. And we all know that this is the longest side is nothing but hypotenuse. First we should understand the sides. This angle opposite is opposite side, and angle line is nothing but adjacent side, and this longest side is nothing but hypotenuse. In this also, this is the angle. Angle opposite side is opposite. Angle line is adjacent, and this is nothing but hypotenuse. Now let's start the trigonometric ratios. First trigonometric ratio is sine. Here A angle they have told. So angle is A. So I am taking sine A. Sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite. A. Sine is always opposite side upon hypotenuse. We should remember well. Sine A is nothing but opposite side upon hypotenuse. That means in this figure sine A is BC upon AC. BC upon AC. We can see sine what? BC, opposite upon hypotenuse. Then cos A is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. We should remember this always. It is like constant only. Cos is nothing but adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Here we can see adjacent side is AB upon hypotenuse AC. AB upon AC. Yes. Now next tan A is opposite upon adjacent. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. So tan A will be opposite upon adjacent. BC upon AB. BC upon AB. So let me write BC upon AB. This is tan A. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan opposite upon adjacent. Now let us go for cosec. Let me not explain you about now only this triangle, because you just focus on this triangle only first. We are learning this triangle. Let me tell you what is. Then cosec. Cosec is nothing but hypotenuse upon opposite. Sine reverse. Sine reverse is cosec. That is sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosec is hypotenuse upon opposite. Cos reverse is sec. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. Sec hypotenuse upon adjacent. Completely reverse of cos. Sine is a reverse of cosec. Cos is a reverse of sec. So sec is hypotenuse upon adjacent. And cot is nothing but reverse of tan. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Cot is adjacent upon opposite. Cot what? Adjacent upon opposite. In the same way, same thing, this triangle, let us focus. I have told you now, sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. If the angle is above, then sine is what? Sine will be opposite upon hypotenuse only. That is BC upon AC. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. But the position is changed now. because angle is above, but sine is always opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse and tan opposite upon adjacent. Same way cosec hypotenuse upon opposite and sec hypotenuse upon adjacent and cot adjacent upon opposite. So here the only thing you have to understand, where is the position of angle, and sometimes they told the angle as theta. Sometimes they term angle as theta. Sometimes they will give as a name only A or C, sin A, sin C. Sometimes they considered angle as theta, and this is nothing called theta. It is pronounced at theta. So here hope you people have understand. Angle opposite side is opposite, angle line side is adjacent, longest side is hypotenuse. So sine is always opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is always adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is always opposite upon adjacent. Sine is a reverse of cosec, cos is a reverse of sec, and tan is a reverse of cot. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios, which is based completely, trigonometry of class 10 is based on these 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, let us go for now next what we have to learn. Now we are going to learn is reciprocal of trigonometric ratio. Reciprocal of trigonometric ratio. Here there is a reciprocal also of trigonometric ratio. Sin A is 1 upon cosec A. This we should remember. They are the reciprocal. Sin A is nothing but 1 upon cosec A. Similarly, cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sin A. Sin A is always 1 upon cosec. Cosec is 1 upon sin. Cos 1 upon sec A. And sec A is 1 upon cos A. Like that way, tan is 1 upon cot and cot is 1 upon tan. See, this is nothing like solution part. It is like formula which you should remember. Sin means 1 upon cosec. Cosec means 1 upon sin. Cos means 1 upon sec. Sec means 1 upon cos. And tan 1 upon cot. Cot 1 upon tan. Tan is having one more function. Tan is also sin upon cos. Tan is nothing but, tan A is nothing but sin A upon cos A, and cot cos A upon sin A. This we should remember well. Tan A is sin A upon cos A, cot A is cos A upon sin A. This is about the introduction of trigonometry which I have given you people, which is very important. Unless and until you don't know the trigonometric ratios and their corresponding sides, that is this all the things, then you can't proceed further. First you should know this. Sin means which side upon which side you should know. Cosec means which side upon which side you should know well. Then what is the reciprocal ratio of cosec cos A? That is nothing but 1 upon sec A. Reciprocal ratio of cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Similarly, reciprocal ratio of cot A is cos upon sin. Like that way you should understand it well this. So in my next class, let me continue. Let me start the exercise, that is 11.1. I'll start with the exercise 11.1 in my next video. So hope you all have understand the introduction, 6 trigonometric ratio of trigonometry. So study this well, understand this well, by heart this well, so that in my next video you will find very easy to solve exercise problem Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.